Please trust me when I say I hate snakes. See what happened next. Greetings friends and welcome to this week's video. So as you can see in the teaser there, we had a little problem with snakes. That problem's been taken care of, thank God. At least we hope it has. You can see more on that here. So I literally almost just had a heart attack, I think. Oh my God, I was talking to Data on FaceTime and I had turned on some of the outside water faucets and other ones were already on. So I was going around the house shutting them off. I would listen from in the house when I heard the shh, I would know one was on outside. I would go try to narrow in the sound, go find it, shut it off. So I was on the FaceTime with her and I heard a shh noise. I was like, what the heck? I thought I got them all. Oh my God. So I came around the corner over there. So I came around the corner looking around and right about here, there was at least a 4-foot snake. Oh my God, it's my fault. Because I left the garage door open there and I left this door open here to the house. Whoo! So it's crazy because the shh that I heard wasn't actually water outside like the other ones I had heard, the other outdoor faucets. It was actually the snake. And it was big enough as it was slithering across the freaking floor where it sounded like an outside faucet was on with the shh. Oh, I'm gonna have to look at cardiogram and see what my heart rate went to when I saw that because I'm sure it went super high. Sure enough, check it out here. Look at that spike to 150. So right after that, Nadina and her dad left. No joke, probably 30 minutes later, I go out in the garage for more paint and I find this one. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little freaked out, but I took care of it. I wanted Nadina to be proud, so I sent her the following text message. Well, baby, your dad's a good teacher. You too. He got the last one, so I got this one. So naturally, after seeing that snake, my first thoughts went like this. Number 1, for sale sign. Number 2, flamethrower. Number 3, bomb. And finally, number 4, and this is the one I ultimately went with, just get snake away. We had heard from a family member that this stuff is great and works really good. Lowe's sells it up to 4 pounds. I was like, forget that. We went online and ordered it 26 pounds at a time. Peace out, snakes. Plus the fact that the grass is cut now will definitely help. So far, in the last 5 days, we haven't seen any. Again, thank you, Jesus. We also got all kinds of work done, or started at least on the inside, from painting different rooms, which I'll show you now. Here's the living room at this point. So as you can see in this shot, I can't even get from the floor to the ceiling in the same frame. But we started on the main floor here, we got it pretty much all the way done, and we're gonna work our way up. Here's some before and afters. Also, the dining room is 2 stories tall, and we started on that. That one I think I'll be able to do myself. If I get a ladder, I'll be able to go up on it and probably finish towards the ceiling. So here's the formal dining room. I think it looks much better this way, right? The living room, though, is a different story. I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. I'm either gonna have to hire somebody with scaffolding or rent one of those lifts or something. It's crazy tall, and I have no plan or no idea how to do that one. So if you guys have a good idea, leave it in the comments below. As you can see, the Tesla is happily in the garage and charging, and it can't wait to get some company from the Viper and the Corvette. So hopefully we can bring those down sometime soon. Don't know when, but we'll figure it out. Meanwhile, Christian just loves to explore and look around, and he's loving the nature of it. So that's pretty cool. We actually ordered some cowboy boots, but they haven't come yet. He also likes wearing his overalls and being on his tractor. He's ready. So you can see the house behind us there, and we're gonna go explore. We'll also touch just a little bit on priorities and great investments. So I've been busy painting that hallway there, and I don't know if you'll be able to see her, I hope you can. That Ada's out there power washing. And guys, all I was gonna say is that this channel obviously has been about investing and how to invest money. Sometimes it's super important to remember to make investments into the things that are the most important to you. For me, that's that beautiful woman out there. So I put the paint away even though I wasn't done with the part that I wanted to do. And I'm gonna go ask her if she'll take a walk with me so we can watch the sunset together. Investing in what's most important to you is important. If you remember nothing else from this channel, remember that. Well, that's it for this week, friends. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. We sure appreciate it. We appreciate you and your time. Please consider subscribing, hit that like button, leave some comments below. We look forward to seeing you next Friday.